Hi guys, Steve here. Thanks for joining me today. I wanted to talk to you about how I installed this Barricade heavy-duty rear bumper on my 2022 Ford Bronco and how easy it was. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and I hope you enjoy the video. Now we're going to start by doing an unboxing. This box came in from Barricade, totally undamaged. Very heavy-duty box. Good packaging, lots of bubble wrap, styrofoam, rubber end caps, and of course tape. Now I didn't weigh this bumper. If I had to guess in comparative with the front bumper, I think it weighs roughly 50 pounds. You may want some help putting it in, but I installed this by myself. It wasn't too hard. But you can get an idea here. The welds, the quality, the thickness. Welds are a little bit sloppy on the inside, but the thickness of the steel is kind of impressive. You can see the cutouts for sensors and additional lights if you want to add it. But overall, I'm pretty happy. Now removing the old bumper, there's 8 bolts that hold it in. Those are 15mm bolts. Now I only had to put it on the bucket there because I needed to remove the license plate light. If you have an upgraded or one of the upper end Broncos, you're going to have other wiring harnesses that you're going to need to get to. But for mine, I have a base Bronco. I just slid the wiring harness underneath and then popped the license plate light right out. I'm not going to reuse the light, but I am going to use the harness. That light just clipped in. Stick a little screwdriver in there and it pops right off. Here's the rest of the parts of the bumper. Everything's packaged very well. These are the end caps to the bumper. They sent me 4. You only need 2. Those are the brackets that hold the new bolts that you're going to be putting in. This is the license plate frame that you may or may not want to use. A couple of heavy-duty shackles. The install kit, and that is the light kit for the license plate. These are also end caps that go on the top of the bumper. Now I took these mounting plates off my bumper just to kind of show you how easy it is. If you have, like I said, if you have one of the upper end Broncos, you're going to have to take these off to get to the wiring to be able to take it off. It's just 8 bolts. It pops right off. Here I am installing the end caps to the bumper. I'm installing them fairly loose until I get that top piece on, and then I'll tighten it all down. this top part, the nuts are already welded in place, so you just got to screw in the bolt. The bolts on this are a 5/32 hex key. Now, after doing that to both sides, I'm going to install the license plate frame. Now, I like the looks of it, some of you may not. What I did learn after the fact, though, is if you use a car wash, it will bend your license plate. So I'm going to keep mine, at least for now, and just hand wash my car. I prefer to do that anyways. But it's fairly heavy duty, but it does kind of stick out. Now there are 4 bolts on each side that you're going to have to remove to take the bumper off, and also this tie down, which is also a 15 millimeter. Now the kit comes with these new pieces that fit inside the frame rail here. You'll see they put them in. This is to accept the new bolts because they're a different size. This is the lighting kit for your license plate frame. And that's what it looks like. Easy installation. The pigtail that they include with the kit didn't make much sense to me, and I called the company. They weren't much help. I ended up cutting the end of it off and just splicing it into I attached it to the wires, and then it actually plugged into the Ford harness, so I didn't have to mess with that. Now the kit also comes with all the plugs. If you don't have any sensors, it comes with plugs to fill those holes, and it comes with the parts if you do have sensors to help you install them. And I believe we're done. That's what she looks like. It's a beautiful bumper. I'm really happy with it. My mouth doesn't work. I need to talk more. Well, why did they have to get so close to us? Comes another truck. I bet you $10 he parks next to us. Really? What was the purpose of that? Did we get something we can use?